Hello and good afternoon everyone. We are here at 8th edition of India Refining Summit, Fueling India's Future. And we are having Mr. Amit Anturkar, Country Director from Graham India with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about his company and the product and rest of the things. Let's start with my first question, which is, how does Graham Manufacturing differentiate itself in a highly specialized and competitive market like engineered vacuum and heat transfer systems?
Thank you for the introduction. So I'm Amit Anturkar, Country Director of Graham India. So Graham itself is a global leader in heat transfer and vacuum technology. We like to be one step ahead of the competition. So for this, what strategies we use is we are engineering expertise. We provide end-to-end solutions. We have custom-made solutions. We are more of a customer-centric approach, and the main focus is continuous innovation. So this is where we would like to focus on, and that's where we differentiate ourselves from the competition.
Moving forward to our next question, which is related to innovations. What are the next frontiers of innovation for Graham Manufacturing? Are there any markets or technologies you are particularly excited to explore?
So we are doing several innovations, a lot of innovations which are in process. Our focus will be on the high growth sectors, advanced technological capabilities, and more on the sustainability. So one of the innovations, what we can say or development is Nexen nozzle, where we are presenting today in India Refining Summit, where you can have a steam saving in a tune of 5 to 10%. We can also go deeper vacuum. So now you know that global markets are going to net zero targets. So this will be very much increasing demand, and this will be very much vital for growing for sustainability and utilization for carbon capture and net zero.
So we have so much to know more about Graham India, but as time is less, so we are wrapping up this conversation by asking about message. What message would you like to convey to the broader industrial community about the future of engineered solutions?
So the message what we like to give to the industrial partners is to work on 3C concept: customization, collaboration, and continuous innovation. Due to complex challenges, there are a lot of innovations will be required. So even we will like to see that Graham's next era will be agility, insight, and collaboration, long-term partnership. This is what we like to give the message. And if you see, the reliable partners will be required in coming future, and the engineering good partners, and we'll be one of them to cater our customers. We like to grow them, and in turn we'll grow together. That's the message we like to give.
Thank you so much for having this conversation with us. We wish you all the very best for the future.
Thank you very much. I think it was a great event, the India Refining Summit. I'd like to thank Mesa Frankfurt team and also the Industrial Outlook team as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.